Vacuum sealers aren't the flashiest kitchen appliances, but they're one of the most practical. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, freezing leftovers, or storing bulk items, a good vacuum sealer can help reduce waste and keep food fresh longer. In this video, we're going through our picks for the top 6 vacuum sealers for 2025, covering everything from compact countertop models to full-featured chamber units. We'll break down their key features, who they're best for, and what makes each one worth a look. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. VacPak Ultima UVM E12SS. If you're looking for something that can handle serious food prep without skipping a beat, the VacPak Ultima UVM E12SS might be worth a closer look. This is a chamber-style vacuum sealer made for large batches, liquid-heavy foods, and anyone who doesn't mind sacrificing a little counter space in exchange for high-end performance. Unlike external sealers, the chamber design on this model makes it easy to vacuum seal liquids like soups, stews, and marinades without making a mess. Inside, it's powered by a dual-piston pump that delivers reliable suction every time. The exterior is all stainless steel, giving it a durable, commercial-style build that can stand up to daily use. You'll also get a digital control panel that lets you dial in your vacuum strength and sealing time. Whether you're working with delicate items or tougher cuts of meat, it's nice to have the option to fine-tune the settings. It can handle bags up to 12 inches wide, which gives you plenty of flexibility. One standout feature here is the double seal capability, which adds extra security and helps reduce the risk of leaks during storage or sous vide cooking. It also has a fairly quick cycle time, so it won't slow you down when sealing in bulk. That said, it's heavy, over 60 pounds, and probably not something you'll want to move around often. It's also louder than average during operation, and it takes up a good amount of counter space. Still, if you're sealing food often, especially moist or liquid-heavy items, this model offers excellent long-term reliability and pro-grade performance. Number 5. Lem MaxVac Pro Chamber Vacuum Sealer. If you process a lot of meat, seal large quantities of food at once, or just want something that feels like it belongs in a professional kitchen, the Lem MaxVac Pro Chamber Vacuum Sealer is built for the job. This is a commercial-grade unit that's made to handle both liquids and solids without skipping a beat, and it does it with precision. Inside, it's powered by a 1/4 horsepower rotary oil pump, which delivers consistent and powerful vacuum pressure. That translates to ultra-tight seals, even on tricky foods like marinated meats or soups. The 11-inch sealing bar is wide enough to accommodate a range of bag sizes, and both the vacuum time and seal time are fully adjustable, giving you full control over each seal. One of the standout features is the built-in cooling fan, which helps prevent the machine from overheating during extended sessions. That's a big deal if you're sealing dozens of bags in one go. It also includes filler plates inside the chamber, which reduce the air volume and speed up the vacuuming process, saving you a bit of time with every cycle. This is a chamber-style sealer, so it handles liquids far better than most external models. It's ideal for hunters and fishers who work with game meat or anyone who's prepping meals to freeze in bulk. That said, it's not compact. At over 50 pounds, this is a heavy machine that takes up a fair amount of space, and like many pro-level sealers, it has a bit of a learning curve when it comes to dialing in the right settings. But once it's set up, it's built to run and built to last. Number 4. Nesco Premium Vacuum Sealer. If you want solid performance without the commercial price tag, the Nesco Premium Vacuum Sealer is a well-rounded option worth considering. This is an external-style vacuum sealer that brings together useful features, a compact build, and just enough customization to handle everyday kitchen needs, all while keeping things relatively affordable. At the core, you get a double vacuum pump that delivers consistent suction, which helps create tight, dependable seals across a wide range of food types. Whether you're freezing meat, storing leftovers, or prepping ingredients for the week ahead, this unit handles it without fuss. The built-in bag cutter and onboard roll storage are small but useful touches that keep things tidy and efficient. You can also choose between single or double line sealing, depending on how secure you want your seal. And for those working with more delicate items like pastries or soft fruits, the pulse vacuum feature gives you better control over how much pressure is applied. It's not just a one-size-fits-all machine, which is impressive at this price point. Noise-wise, it's quieter than most models in this category. The sealing process doesn't rattle the whole kitchen, and it doesn't feel cheap or overly plasticky either. You'll have full control over vacuum strength and sealing time, which makes it more versatile than basic entry-level sealers. That said, it's not built for bulk sealing sessions, and like most external models, it doesn't do well with high-moisture foods. There's also a slight learning curve with the pulse function. Still, for casual use in smaller households, it strikes a smart balance between cost and performance, and doesn't take up much space doing it. Number 3. Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer. If you're serious about sous vide or regularly seal foods with marinades, sauces, or high moisture content, the Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer brings a professional tool into your kitchen without being overbuilt or overwhelming. It's a chamber-style model, which means it excels where most external sealers struggle, handling liquids cleanly and effectively. This unit features a 70 liters per minute vacuum pump, which ensures solid, airtight seals every time. The chamber design allows you to seal foods with juices, brines, or marinades without any mess, and it fits bags up to 11 inches wide. That gives you a lot of flexibility whether you're batch cooking or prepping for a sous vide session. Operation is as simple as pressing one button, but it also gives you the option to adjust vacuum duration and sealing time. That means more control for experienced users and less guesswork for beginners. It's a great mix of usability and precision. The exterior is stainless steel, giving it a clean, durable feel, and the overall look is polished enough to match a modern kitchen. Another plus, it works with standard chamber vacuum pouches, which are often much more affordable than the proprietary edge seal bags used with external sealers. On the flip side, this unit is heavier and bulkier than your average countertop model. It's not something you'll want to lift or move around frequently. And it's slower compared to some impulse sealers, especially if you're sealing many bags in a row. It also costs more than basic models, but the trade-off is long-term performance and a huge leap in capability, especially for wet or delicate foods. Number 2, FoodSaver Elite All-in-One Liquid Plus. For anyone looking for a vacuum sealer that's easy to use, packed with convenience features, and reliable for everyday tasks, the FoodSaver Elite All-in-One Liquid Plus hits a sweet spot. It's an external style model, but with features that bring it closer to higher-end performance, especially when it comes to handling moisture. At the center of its design is the Liquid Plus technology, which automatically detects moisture and adjusts the sealing process to reduce spills and mess. It also includes automatic bag detection. So once you place the bag in position, it pulls it in and starts sealing without requiring much interaction. It's streamlined, efficient, and perfect for busy kitchens. There's also a built-in retractable handheld sealer, which extends the unit's use beyond traditional vacuum bags. You can seal jars, containers, and even zipper-style bags. Great if you're meal prepping or storing snacks. The drip tray catches excess liquid and is removable for easy cleaning. The automated features really help speed up the workflow, making this a great fit for families or anyone sealing leftovers, meats, or vegetables on a regular basis. It's especially useful for those who want a simple, mostly hands-off operation without worrying about setting vacuum times or sealing pressure. However, this is still an external sealer, so it doesn't seal liquids nearly as cleanly as a chamber model. It's also priced higher than most other external models in its class, and for best results, you'll want to stick with FoodSaver brand bags, which can cost more over time. Still, for its mix of usability and flexibility, the FoodSaver Elite is one of the most user-friendly models out there. Number 1. Nesco VS12 Vacuum Sealer. Topping our list is the Nesco VS12, a vacuum sealer that combines reliability, versatility, and user control in a package that feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. It's an external model, but packed with features usually reserved for higher-end units, making it a standout choice for most home kitchens. One of its best qualities is the level of control it gives you. With both normal and gentle pressure settings, you can seal everything from thick cuts of meat to delicate baked goods without crushing anything. There's also a pulse vacuum mode, which is perfect when you need to manage how much air is being removed, especially useful for soft or fragile foods. The VS12 offers the option for single or double sealing. That added double seal can be a real bonus if you're freezing food long-term or sealing moist items that need extra security. It also comes with built-in storage for bag rolls and a cutter, which helps keep your workspace clean and organized. Despite being an external sealer, it's compatible with generic vacuum bags, so you're not locked into one brand. That can make a big difference when you're sealing regularly and want to cut down on supply costs. There are a few small trade-offs. It's a bit bulkier than most external units, and while it performs well, it's not the best option for sealing large volumes back-to-back. The manual sealing function is straightforward, but might take a few tries to get comfortable with. Still, for everyday users who want solid construction, flexible options, and dependable results, the Nesco VS12 is one of the most capable and user-friendly vacuum sealers you can find without overspending. Thanks for watching. If you're considering picking up a vacuum sealer, you'll find links to all the models we mentioned in the description below. Let us know in the comments which one feels like the right fit for your kitchen, or if there's a model you think should have made the list. And if you want more no-nonsense kitchen gear roundups like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.